tell you, like any project you work on, sometimes after you use it for a while, you learn there's a few modifications you can do to it. That's what I'm going to try to do today on the 2004 Pontiac, Montana sleep system. Built the bed in here. It works great, except for the fact when I sleep, when my head is facing toward the front of the Montana, my pillows have a tendency to fall off this edge. They fall off, and it's a constant struggle throughout the night. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build me a little shelving system in here that's going to incorporate a headboard for my bed. So the bed system I built in the Montana really works good. It's on hinges, it's not full length all the time, and the main reason for that was in case of a collision, whatever has hit me from behind is not driving the bed all the way through the passenger seat right here. So I wanted to have this cushion in there. Okay, so the way I built this system is it comes up, this leg system folds down. I'm going to build a little shelving system here that's going to actually double as a headboard. That way my pillows stay in place. Montana's parked at an angle like it is right now. I have to sleep on this side. If the front end is facing down, I switch around, put my head down toward the back of the door, and the actual back door holds my pillows in place, and it's not a problem. When I find something that kind of adds a little aggravation to your life, I'd like to just as soon take care of it and fix it, and that way there, on down the road I go, smooth machine. I'll show you some video on how I'm going to build this shelf slash headboard. When I put the bed down, it comes down, fits into place. Super strong, works good. So I just took a template, a piece of plywood like this right here, and laid it up there just to kind of give me an idea. It's always nice to kind of get a visual before you actually start. The one side is going to be straight, the other side is going to have a slant, it's going to come over. So I'll be able to put something here on top, this top shelf, and I'll be able to still store stuff in here. And I may even come with another piece to have a little area right here to put things. When you're on the road, if you're living the van life or you're on the road a lot, you know there's got to be a little place for everything. Every little thing that you carry, it's nice to have it organized. The more organized you are, the better you are. Especially the way I travel, I will be driving along for 10, 12 hours. I'll pull over, I'll get a few hours sleep, maybe 5 at the most, get back up and head out. And I don't want to have to constantly keep rearranging things. I want everything to be as smooth as I can get it. Very important. Eye protection and ear protection when you're running a saw. Okay, I got my first piece cut. I cut it in an L shape, and the reason why is it will fit on here like this, and then this side here will go over the top of my captain chairs, and that's my office chair back here. So I can see I'm going to cut a little bit more off this side right here. Okay, that's looking pretty good. I'll go back in and reinforce those joints and make sure they're a little bit stronger. Might even put a little caulking in there. And caulking is like an adhesive and it'll help hold it together. Okay, let's see if it's going to fit in there. Okay, so that'll fit in there like that. When I go to put the seat back, that'll actually hold it in place. Right there. Okay, that works out pretty good. Got me a headboard now. My head faces the front of the Montana. It won't push my pillows off. And that works pretty good. So I'm going to reinforce everything. I may actually put another little shelf right here. I'm not for sure. But I like the way that turned out. So if that helps you, hit that like button. Hey, subscribe to the channel if you like. I would really appreciate it. Come up with a lot of great ideas like this. A lot of videos out there. Thank you for coming to the channel. It's LAF Space Film Fest. That's capital LAF Space Film Fest. I hope the summer of 2021 is going to be a good road trip summer for you. What's nice about it is I don't have to keep it here all the time. And that's a big advantage right there. Lift my seat up. I can fold my bed up. I can take it out and store it if I want to. They can fold my bed down. Just like that. Headboard goes against it. Just like that right there. Then I lean my seat back for stability. Perfect. Now my pillows won't fall off. They'll be trapped right here, and that'll make for a good night's sleep. Anytime you want to do something like that, all you have to do is think about it. It's not hard to do. A lot of this can be built with scrap wood if you got it laying around. Okay. On to the next project. Summer of 2021 is looking real good. Let's get out there, road warriors. Let's get out there. Put some miles on. A lot of miles out there and a lot of things to see. Hey, I got a recommendation. The Devil's Tower. Have you ever been there before? I've got a video on it called The Devil's Tower. Check it out. Wow. Should be your top destination to see. Thanks for coming along and thanks for helping. I really appreciate it. And I'll be talking to you on the next video.